Hello everyone, welcome back to the next topic in the subject computer graphics is visible surface detections. It helps to understand the basic concepts of visible surface detections. In this video, we will be discussing about some topics of visible surface detection. The topics are introduction, characteristics, classification, types, and backface detection. Backface detection is one type of visible surface detection. The first one is introduction of visible surface detection. What is visible surface detection? If you read the name twice, you will get the real meaning of visible surface detections. Visible means can be able to see. Surface detection is object has to be detected. That is, whatever you can be able to see, that has to be detected. See this diagram. The front part of the cube can be able to see, so that has to be detected. The back side of the cube is invisible, so that has to be eliminated. There are many algorithms developed for visible surface detection. Before going to the classification, we have to know about the characteristics of visible surface detection. Some visible surface detection methods require large memory size, some requires long processing times, some are applicable only to special type of objects. As I told you earlier, there are many methods available for visible surface detection methods. The selecting a method depends on the following factors. The factors are complexity of the scene, types of object to be displayed, available equipments, static or animated scene to be generated. Depending on these factors, some methods can be selected. Next one is classification of visible surface detection. The visible surface detection methods classified into two types based on whether they deal with object definition directly or with their projected images. The two classifications are object space method and image space method. In object space method, compares objects and parts of objects to each other within the same definition to determine which surface are visible. But in image space method, visibility is decided point by point at each pixel position on the projection plane. That is, object space methods implemented in physical coordinate system. Image space method is implemented in screen coordinate system. Most of the visible surface detection methods use image space method. Sometimes these methods are known as hidden surface elimination method. That is, invisible portion has to be eliminated but visible portion has to be detected. So, hidden surface elimination and visible surface detection methods are same. To improve the performance, we are using sorting and coherence method. Sorting is facilitate depth comparison. Ordering the surfaces according to their distance from the viewplane. Coherence take the advantage of regularity. Next topic is types of visible surface detection method. There are different techniques in visible surface detection. They are backface detection, depth buffer method, or Z buffer method, A buffer method, and scanline method. Last one is backface detection. It is a fast, simple, and object space method. It is based on inside-outside test. In this technique, first detect the backface of the object and then eliminate for improving the memory capacity. Only visible portion of the object should be stored in memory. Let us consider three-dimensional polygon surface. To check a point xy Z is inside the polygon surface if the polygon equation Ax plus By plus Cz and D is less than 0. When inside a point is along the line of sight to the surface, the polygon must be a backface. We can simplify this test by considering the normal vector n to the polygon surface which has a Cartesian components a, b and c and weaving vector v. See this diagram. Here v is the weaving vector, n is a normal vector. If v into n is greater than 0, then the polygon contains backface. When seeing this, you can able to recall the basic concepts of backface reductions. In backface reductions, only visible part has to be stored. The hidden part has to be eliminated. To eliminate the hidden part, we have to find out that. To do that, we have to use the following equations. Here x, y, z is the view coordinates. It is behind the polygon if ax plus by plus cz less than 0, or a polygon is a backface if weaving coordinates and normal coordinates should be greater than 0. Next one is if weaving coordinate is parallel to z axis, then there are two conditions. If z is less than 0, then it contains backface. If z equal to 0, then polygon cannot be seen. So I hope this helps to understand the basic concepts of backface reductions. Thank you for watching.